Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum right here in sunny Melbourne, Florida. Today we have one of the modern muscle cars out in a 2018 Trans Am Bandit Edition. This is produced by Trans Am Worldwide and they are located in Tallahassee, Florida. They've produced 77 of these Bandit Editions and this is number 57 out of the 77. Burt Reynolds and Trans Am Worldwide had partnered up to build these cars and he has personally signed each one. Starting price on these cars is about $115,000. Our car, all optioned out, was just a shade over 170 and they sold out all 77. Pontiac last produced a Trans Am in 2002 and these cars are built off of a 2015 Camaro SS body with over 250 original parts made right there at Trans Am Worldwide. As you can see, this mimics the movie Smokey and the Bandit to a T. You've got the black and gold striking color combination, the shaker hood, the screaming chicken on the hood, the honeycomb wheels with the Goodyear white letter tires, and of course you got to have the T-tops. You come to the back of the car, it has the tail lights that are wide all the way across, the nice spoiler, really fits a modern looking car. It's powered by the second stage LSX engine. This was a 7.4 liter supercharged. This is 840 horsepower. Considering the 77s when they came out had just a shade under 200 horsepower. That's a lot of difference. As we come to the interior, you can see the brown and black leather, the unique embroidered Bandit on the headrests. The dashes and the gauges are unique to Trans Am Worldwide, and this car has really captured the essence of the time. For more information on this car and all the other cars in the collection, please visit our website, our Facebook page, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Thanks again, it's been a pleasure to share this car with you.